In this video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Samsung TV using 6 simple methods. Let's get started. Method 1. Power cycle the TV. Turn off your Samsung TV and unplug it from the wall. Wait for at least 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This often fixes temporary glitches or power-related bugs. Method 2. Disable energy saving mode. Press the home button on your remote. Go to Settings, General Eco Solution. Turn off energy saving mode or power saving mode. This setting can cause the screen brightness to fluctuate, which may look like flickering. Method 3. Turn off ambient light detection. Go to Settings, General Eco Solution, Ambient Light Detection. Turn it off. This feature automatically changes screen brightness based on room lighting and can cause flickering. Method 4. Change the picture mode. Go to Settings, Picture mode. Try switching to Standard, Dynamic, or Movie mode. Some modes are more stable than others, depending on your environment. Method 5. Check all cables and sources. Make sure HDMI cables are securely connected. Try a different HDMI port or a different input source, like a game console or streaming stick. Replace the HDMI cable if necessary. A loose or damaged cable is a common cause of flickering. Method 6. Update the TV's software. Go to Settings, Support Software Update now. If an update is available, install it. Outdated firmware can cause display issues like screen flicker. Still flickering? If none of these work, the problem could be hardware-related, such as a failing backlight, T-con board, or power supply. You may need to contact Samsung support or a technician. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung TV fixes and smart tech tips.